Have you ever wondered why safety is the first lesson in HVAC training? Because HVAC systems involve electricity, high pressure, moving parts, and refrigerants. Without proper safety knowledge, even a small mistake can cause serious injury. So today, let's understand the most important HVAC safety tips every beginner must follow. 1. Always turn off power first. Before working on any air conditioner or refrigeration system, always disconnect the power supply. Never trust the switch alone. Use a tester or multimeter to confirm that electricity is completely off. Electric shock is one of the most common HVAC accidents. 2. Wear personal protective equipment, PPE. A professional technician always uses safety equipment. Important PPE includes safety gloves, safety glasses, safety shoes, helmet when required. These protect you from sharp metal edges, electrical sparks, and refrigerant exposure. 3. Handle refrigerant carefully. Refrigerants are stored under high pressure. Direct contact with refrigerant can cause skin burns or frostbite. Never release refrigerant into the air. Always use proper recovery machines and approved cylinders. Work in a well-ventilated area while handling refrigerants. 4. Use proper tools only. Never use damaged or incorrect tools. Loose wires, broken gauges, or poor quality tools can cause accidents. Always inspect your tools before starting work. Right tools increase both safety and efficiency. 5. Be careful with moving parts. Fans, motors, and compressors contain rotating components. Never place your hands near moving parts. Always wait until equipment completely stops before inspection. 6. Ladder safety for outdoor units. Many HVAC jobs require working at height. Always place the ladder on a stable surface. Do not overreach while working. Maintain proper balance at all times. 7. Avoid water near electrical components. Water and electricity are extremely dangerous together. Never work on electrical panels with wet hands. Keep the working area dry and clean. 8. Proper ventilation is important. Some HVAC areas like mechanical rooms have poor airflow. Gas leakage or refrigerant accumulation can become dangerous. Ensure proper ventilation before entering closed spaces. 9. Follow lockout and tagu procedure. Professional technicians use lockout/tagu systems. This prevents someone from accidentally turning power on while maintenance is in progress. This simple step saves lives. 10. Never work without training. HVAC systems are complex. If you are unsure about a task, ask an experienced technician. Learning safely is more important than working fast. Conclusion: in simple words, safety is the foundation of HVAC work. A skilled technician is not only fast, but safe. Following these safety tips protects you, your equipment, and your workplace. If you want to become a professional HVAC technician, always remember, safety first, work second. Thank you for watching HVAC official channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more professional HVAC training videos.